Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. I want to say a big thank you to you guys for attending the live presentation we had yesterday. It was an amazing moment, and since then I've been attending to people, I've been attending to different questions. You guys are really smart. I love the way you are sending your questions, and I'm really happy that we are able to do this together. It's been a long time that we have actually experienced something like this, and it's been a kind of eye-opening opportunity for each and every one of us. Okay, thank you guys for all the messages, and of course those that have taken advantage of the opportunities have started getting your messages, and I'm really happy that you are enjoying what you actually got. Okay, for those of you that missed out on the live presentation, okay, I will be dropping a link to the recorded version of it in the Telegram channel, so you can go over it. Go there to check out the video and to see the available offer we have for the Easter period. Okay, it has started already and people have started claiming it, and once the limited copies are exhausted, that will be all. Okay, so that's just it. Okay, so many people are already rushing it at the moment, and I'm really happy that you guys are taking advantage of the opportunity. I'm very sure we all will be happy together at the end of the day. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. Today we will be checking out how we can make over $200 today. We usually do this once in a week, and of course we will be doing it again today. We can start with a small capital and take it down, up to $200, and of course even if it does not get to $200, at least you being able to make profit is something reasonable. Okay, so we will be analyzing the market together right away. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, do your own personal practice. You need to practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay guys, my automated trading bot has resumed working today. It has resumed the work today, and it is trading boom 1000 already. If you guys should remember during the live training session, if you should remember the capital at that point, then definitely you should see that this has actually gone up to $3,668. This account actually started with $1,000, and I started it this week. I think I started it on Sunday or thereabouts. Okay, and of course in less than a week it has done times 3, more than times 3 of the capital. Okay, so that's so unique. Okay, so we are not there, we are not here to discuss about the trading bots. We discussed that in our presentation yesterday. If you miss out from the presentation, you can go back and check it out and see how you can lay your hands on the automated trading bot for that. Okay, so it will be closing this right away. It just closed an order and opened another one, and of course if we should check it out, this has actually increased to 3,669. Okay, so it's really doing very well, and I'm really happy about that. I didn't even know that it has started. I have it turned on. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here. So I'm going to keep this for now. Okay, so let's do that together. So guys, we will be analyzing this asset right away. We are using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. I gave us a detailed explanation on how we can make use of this asset to trade successfully. Okay, in my last presentation, the one we had yesterday, okay, this has actually got into a resistance zone which is around here, and of course it had a pullback from there till it got to this support zone, way back up again till it got to this region. Okay, so it's trying to see if it can get to this resistance zone, so it is still buying at the moment. If it get to this resistance zone, and of course we can take our profit from there for a buy signal, and if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying till the next resistance zone. But if it's unable to break out above it, then it will start selling. So we expect it to get to this region to take our profits once it starts selling. Okay, so I'm just trying to give us the two opportunity. Okay, so for now it is buying and may likely get to this resistance zone before it has a turnaround. Okay, before it will be having a turnaround, that is if it does not break out above this resistance zone. So the indicator will help you to analyze better. Okay, so if you're having it, but let me do justice to it right from here. Okay, so if it's unable to break out from this resistance zone, then we are most likely to have a turnaround from there, and it will keep on selling till it gets to this to this support zone. And if it breaks out from there, then may likely want to get to this region. Okay, and of course guys, if it breaks out from there, then we expect it to get to somewhere here. Okay, for our next TP. And of course guys, if it breaks out from there, then we should be expecting it to get to this region. Okay, so this alone can even make you a lot of profits depending on your capital. Okay, let's move on guys, let's move on to boom 500. This is boom 500. We can see the yellow flag giving us an uptrend right from this support zone. So it started buying right from there. You can see it kept on buying till it got to this resistance zone. Right now we've gotten a red flag with a red arrow, which shows that the market is on downtrend, but we needed to break out below this. So this is our next TP again. Once it breaks out below this, then we expect it to get to this region, because right here is another major support zone. Okay, you can see it around here also. Okay, so once it breaks out from there, then we expect it to get to somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, and of course if it breaks out from there, then we are expecting it to get to this region. Okay, so you should take note of that. Okay, so it's a gradual process. We've given you the first TP, second TP, third TP, and the fourth TP. Sometimes it might not even get to the fourth TP, but getting to the third TP will be an amazing opportunity, and that is why you need to take advantage of the opportunity right away. Okay, so quickly let's move on guys. This is crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Crash 1000. Okay, crash 1000 is not giving us a smooth movement. Okay, but it's been more of an uptrend than is a downtrend. Okay, so this actually got to this region. It's trying to break out above this resistance zone, and once that happens, you may need to check the higher time frame to see where it is going to. But if it is unable to break out above that, then it will start selling, and if it starts selling, we expect it to crash down to this. But for now it is still on uptrend and it is buying, but you will need to check the next resistance zone on higher time frame once it breaks out above this. Okay, so but if it does not, it will start selling and may likely get, it will get to this region. Then if it breaks out from there, then we should look at this place as our next TP. Okay, that might be difficult to break, but once it breaks out from there, then we will have to check out this also for our next TP. Okay, and if it breaks out from there, then we should be looking at somewhere here for the next TP. Okay, we should take note of all this before we now consider getting to this region for the next TP. So guys, that is that about crash 1000. More information will be given about this on the Telegram channel. Okay, so now let's check out crash 500. Okay, this is crash 500. This had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone till it gets to this support zone, and it was unable to break out from there, so it pulled up again and started to buy, and it is still buying at the moment. Okay, may likely get back to this region, and if it breaks out above that, definitely we expect it to get back to the resistance zone at the top right here. If it breaks out above this one, we will have to look at higher time frame to check out for the next resistance zone. But if it does not, then it to start selling back using the same pattern which he used to get to the top. Okay, so this is very, very important. So guys, I will be stopping right here. I believe you have learned a lot. You can contact me to ask more questions about yesterday's presentation, and if you want to get any of the trading tools using the promo price that is going on right now, you can also reach out to me on WhatsApp so that we can discuss together and see how we can organize one for you before it will be exhausted. Okay, so these are some of the things that we can do together today. I will be online for you guys today, so if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. I will always be there to reply. It might be about today's analysis or probably about yesterday's presentation. I will always be there to reply you. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.